Mike Ingrilli Plumbing is a licensed, bonded, and insured plumbing contractor established in 2007 and located right here in the Milwaukee area. We don't quit until the job is finished, our quality standards are met and the workspace is clean. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say about us. Chandler says, "We have used Mike Ingrilli Plumbers 4 times this year and will use them in the future. The service is prompt and the workmanship is always top rate." Hennig says, "They were great to work with, we'll use them again when I have plumbing issues. We pride ourselves on offering a full range of the highest quality plumbing services in the Milwaukee area. Call us now for a free estimate."